In an unpredictable world, being prepared can make all the difference. Whether you're gearing up for a natural disaster, a blackout, or a full-blown apocalypse, the right tools are essential. In this video, we've rounded up 20 of the coolest Doomsday survival gear and gadgets you can grab on Amazon in 2025. From high-tech multi-tools to life-saving water filters, these picks are designed to keep you safe, smart, and ready for anything the future throws your way. Product 1. Product name: Ruck Ruck Plate Carrier. The Ruck Ruck Plate Carrier 3.0 is a streamlined, purpose-built weighted rucking backpack designed for minimalist training sessions and maximum comfort. In the context of fitness and outdoor gear, this carrier is ideal for users who want a compact and durable solution for adding resistance to their workouts without the bulk of a full-sized rucksack. Built specifically to fit Ruck Ruck plates, the Carrier 3.0 offers ergonomic back support and extra padded shoulder straps, making it well-suited for extended sessions, whether you're hiking, doing bodyweight exercises, or participating in Ruck challenges. Its low-profile design ensures better mobility and a closer-to-body fit, enhancing overall performance while reducing strain on your back and shoulders. The updated 3.0 version also includes improvements in breathability and padding, ensuring both comfort and durability for everyday training and rucking. Product 2. Product name: Magier Portable Camera Case. The Magier Portable All-Weather Waterproof Camera Case is a rugged and reliable storage solution designed for professionals and hobbyists who require secure transport for sensitive gear. With internal dimensions of 15.98 by 12.99 by 6.85 inches, this case offers ample space and versatility, making it ideal for storing cameras, drones, equipment, and even pistols. It features a customizable foam interior, allowing users to tailor the fit precisely to their gear, enhancing protection against shock and impact. Engineered to withstand harsh environments, the Magier case is IP67 waterproof, dustproof, and crush-proof, ensuring all-weather protection for valuable contents. Whether you're heading into the wild with a drone, packing camera equipment for a shoot, or transporting tactical tools, the Magier Portable Camera Case combines durability, security, and portability in a compact and efficient design. Product 3. Product name: A Folding Pocket Knife. A folding pocket knife, such as the 7.24-inch wood-handle folding knife, is a compact and versatile tool designed for a wide range of uses including outdoor activities, survival situations, camping, and everyday carry, EDC. With a convenient foldable design, it ensures safe storage and portability, easily fitting into a pocket, backpack, or tool kit. The wooden handle not only adds a classic aesthetic and sturdy grip, but also enhances durability for rugged use. Ideal as a gift for men who appreciate functionality and style, this folding knife balances practicality with craftsmanship, making it a reliable companion for day-to-day tasks or adventures in the wild. Product 4. Product name: ProGuard. The ProGuard PR3326 gloves are designed for extreme protection in high-risk work environments, offering the highest level of cut resistance, ANSI A9. Ideal for tasks involving sharp tools or hazardous materials, these gloves feature a sandy nitrile coating that enhances grip in both dry and oily conditions, while maintaining durability and flexibility. The touchscreen compatibility allows seamless use of devices without glove removal, and their bright yellow color improves visibility and safety. Engineered for both performance and convenience, the ProGuard PR3326 gloves are also machine washable, making them a practical choice for professionals in industries like construction, metalworking, or glass handling. Product 5. Product name: Zippo Rugged Lantern. The Zippo Rugged Lantern is a versatile and durable lighting solution, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts or those in need of reliable illumination during camping, hiking, or any outdoor activity. Designed with Zippo's signature ruggedness, this lantern offers powerful lighting, typically boasting multiple brightness settings and a long-lasting LED bulb. Its durable construction makes it resistant to the elements, ensuring it can withstand harsh conditions. In the context of your previous interests, such as hiking and outdoor gear, the Zippo Rugged Lantern would be a useful addition to your equipment lineup. It provides bright, consistent light for navigating the outdoors or setting up camp, while also being energy efficient with features like adjustable brightness and long battery life. If you enjoy hiking or exploring the outdoors, this lantern would be a dependable tool to have for visibility in low-light environments. Product 6. Product name: Suedex Steel Toe Boots. The Suedex Steel Toe Boots are designed for both men and women, offering a combination of durability, safety, and comfort, making them ideal for work environments such as construction sites, warehouses, and other heavy-duty tasks. These boots feature indestructible steel toes that protect against heavy falling objects, ensuring maximum foot safety. In addition to the steel toe protection, the boots are equipped with non-slip soles, providing excellent traction on various surfaces, which is crucial for preventing accidents in slippery or hazardous environments. The comfortable design includes cushioning and ergonomic features that make them suitable for long hours of wear, reducing foot fatigue and increasing overall comfort. Whether for professional construction work or everyday tasks that require sturdy footwear, the Suedex Steel Toe Boots offer the durability and protection needed for demanding jobs. These boots blend the essential features of safety and comfort with a sleek, functional design, making them a top choice for individuals seeking reliable and protective footwear for industrial, construction, or labor-intensive roles. Product 7. Product name: Fixed Blade Outdoor Knife. The Maracnif Companion Fixed Blade Outdoor Knife with a 4.1-inch stainless steel blade is a versatile and reliable tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, hunters, and survivalists. This knife is specifically tailored to meet the needs of various outdoor tasks such as carving, skinning, food preparation, and general utility work in the wilderness. Featuring a durable stainless steel blade, it offers exceptional sharpness and resistance to rust, making it ideal for both wet and dry conditions. The 4.1-inch blade strikes a balance between portability and effectiveness, ensuring it is easy to handle while providing ample cutting power for a wide range of activities. The bright orange handle not only provides a distinctive and easily visible look but also offers a comfortable, ergonomic grip for enhanced control during use. This makes it particularly suitable for extended use in outdoor environments where comfort and safety are paramount. Product 8. Product name: Water Filter Bottle Survival. The Water Filter Bottle Survival is a highly functional and portable hydration solution, ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, backpackers, and emergency preppers. This 1-liter collapsible water bottle comes equipped with a built-in squeeze water filter, offering a lightweight, space-saving design that easily fits into any pack or travel kit. Its filtration system meets NSF, FDA certification standards, ensuring safe drinking water by removing harmful bacteria, protozoa, and other contaminants from natural water sources. Designed for convenience and durability, the bottle is made from food-grade materials and is easy to clean and reuse. With its blue finish, this survival water filter bottle is not only practical but stylish, making it an essential tool for staying hydrated and safe in the wild. Product 9. Product name: Rechargeable Work Light. The Rechargeable Work Light with Stand by Goganover is a highly versatile and powerful cordless lighting solution designed for both professional and recreational use. Equipped with triple LED lamps, this work light offers adjustable brightness levels of 700, 1200, and 2200 lumens, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from illuminating job sites to lighting up campsites. The dual color temperature settings, 4000K warm white and 6500K cool white, provide added flexibility based on your lighting needs or preferences. What sets this light apart is its 8Ah rechargeable battery, which ensures extended runtime without the need for constant recharging. It also comes with a detachable tripod stand, offering hands-free operation and easy height adjustment, making it ideal for indoor repairs, outdoor activities, or emergency situations. The Goganover rechargeable work light combines durability, portability, and brightness in a single unit, making it an excellent addition to any toolkit or camping gear. Product 10. Product name: Kid Fire Extinguisher. The Kid Fire Extinguisher for Home, 1A, 10, BC, Dry Chemical Extinguisher, Red, 2-pack is a reliable and essential safety tool designed to protect your household from a variety of common fire types. This multi-purpose extinguisher is effective against Class A, trash, wood, paper, Class B, liquids and gases, and Class C, electrical equipment, fires, making it a versatile choice for kitchens, garages, laundry rooms, or workshops. Each unit contains a dry chemical agent and features an easy-to-read pressure gauge, a corrosion-resistant aluminum cylinder, and a clear instruction label for quick action during emergencies. The included mounting bracket allows for convenient placement and secure storage. The 2-pack offers extra coverage for multiple rooms or levels of your home, enhancing overall fire readiness and peace of mind. Product 11. Product name: Hunting Blind with Floor Mat. A hunting blind with floor mat offers an enhanced outdoor concealment solution ideal for deer and turkey hunters seeking comfort, stealth, and visibility. Designed as a 360-degree see-through ground blind, this camouflaged tent allows hunters to observe their surroundings without being seen, providing a tactical edge in spotting game from all directions. Its pop-up design makes setup and takedown quick and easy, and it's available in sizes to accommodate 2, 3, or 4 people, making it suitable for solo hunts or group outings. The inclusion of a floor mat adds an extra layer of comfort and insulation from the cold, damp ground, helping to reduce noise and scent dispersion, crucial elements in successful hunts. Whether for seasoned hunters or beginners, this all-in-one blind is built to enhance the experience in the field with durability, concealment, and convenience. Product 12. Product name: Survival EDC Chisel Blade. The Flicker Feather, right-handed, Survival EDC Chisel Blade is a versatile and rugged tool designed for those who need reliability in outdoor, emergency, and bushcraft environments. This Survival EDC Chisel Blade combines the precision of a woodworking chisel with the toughness of a bushcraft knife, making it an ideal companion for camping, survival, and everyday carry scenarios. Built for right-hand users, the blade features a unique chisel grind that excels in carving, shaping wood, and performing fine detail work in the wild. Its ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, enhancing control during precision tasks or heavy-duty cutting. The included sheath is a multifunctional survival asset, incorporating a built-in sharpener to keep the blade razor-sharp on the go, a replaceable ferro rod for reliable fire starting, and a 115 dB emergency whistle for signaling in critical situations. Altogether, the Flicker Feather EDC Chisel Blade is not just a knife, it's a compact survival system built for the demands of the outdoors. Product 13. Product name: Mountain Bike Knee Pad. The Demon Hyper XD30 V3 mountain bike knee pad is a premium protective gear solution designed for riders who demand both performance and safety across a range of extreme sports. Whether you're tackling rugged mountain bike trails, pulling tricks on a BMX, hitting motocross tracks, or carving through snowy slopes on a snowboard, this knee pad delivers reliable protection without compromising on comfort or mobility. Constructed with D30 impact protection technology, the Hyper X V3 offers superior shock absorption by hardening upon impact, while remaining soft and flexible during normal movement. This makes it ideal for high-intensity activities that require both flexibility and security. The ergonomic design ensures a snug fit that stays in place, while the breathable materials and moisture-wicking liner help keep riders cool and dry during long sessions. Versatile and durable, the Demon Hyper XD30 V3 knee pad is a trusted choice for riders looking to elevate their protective gear, whether on dirt, pavement, or snow. Product 14. Product name: Safety Helmet. The safety helmet with visor and Bluetooth ear muffs is a versatile and high-performance personal protective equipment, PPE, designed for demanding industrial, construction, and outdoor work environments. This advanced hard hat integrates multiple safety features into one streamlined design, ensuring maximum protection, comfort, and functionality. At its core, the helmet complies with ANSI Z89.1 and OSHA standards, which assures users of its tested impact resistance and electrical protection capabilities. The vented shell enhances breathability during extended wear, especially in hot working conditions. A key feature is the integrated visor, which provides face and eye protection from flying debris, dust, and harmful UV rays, while allowing clear visibility. What sets this helmet apart is its Bluetooth-enabled earmuffs, which offer hearing protection with an senior rating of 26 dB, sufficient to reduce hazardous noise levels in loud work environments. The built-in Bluetooth technology allows workers to stay connected, take calls, or listen to audio without compromising safety or removing their.
Product 15. Product name: Original Knife Care and Maintenance Kit. The original Knife Care and Maintenance Kit by Knife Pivot Lube, KPL, is a comprehensive bundle designed specifically for knife enthusiasts who want to keep their blades in peak condition. This kit includes the KPL Heavy Pocket Knife Lubricant, a premium, high-viscosity lubricant ideal for pivot areas in folding knives, ensuring ultra-smooth deployment and long-lasting protection. Alongside that, it features a 10 ml bottle of honing oil, specially formulated for use on knife edges to maintain sharpness and minimize wear during sharpening. Whether you're maintaining an everyday carry blade, a collector's item, or a high-performance tool, the KPL kit offers professional-grade blade care in a compact and easy-to-use format. It helps reduce friction, prevent rust, and extend the life of your knife, making it an essential addition to any knife care arsenal. Product 16. Product name: MVRK Weighted Vest. The MVRK Weighted Vest is a versatile and heavy-duty training accessory designed to elevate your functional workouts, calisthenics, strength training, and endurance routines. Available in multiple weight options: 18 lbs, 28 pounds, 35 pounds, 45 pounds, and 65 lbs. This vest offers progressive overload to match various fitness levels and goals. It features removable iron weights, allowing for easy weight adjustment to fine-tune your training intensity. Built with durable materials and an ergonomic design, the MVRK Weighted Vest ensures a secure, comfortable fit for both men and women. Its robust construction makes it ideal for high-impact movements and body weight exercises, making it a popular choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking to boost performance and build muscle effectively. Product 17. Product name: Stone & Clark Thigh Brace Support. The Stone & Clark Thigh Brace Support is a premium-grade thigh compression sleeve designed to offer targeted support and enhanced stability for both men and women. In the context of muscle recovery, sports, and injury prevention, this brace is ideal for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and individuals recovering from hamstring, groin, or quad injuries. The XXL size provides a generous and adjustable fit, making it suitable for those with larger thighs who require extra compression without discomfort. Constructed with breathable, moisture-wicking materials, the brace ensures long-lasting comfort during extended wear, whether during workouts, sports activities, or rehabilitation. Its wraparound design allows for a customizable level of compression, which helps improve circulation, reduce muscle strain, and speed up recovery. The Stone & Clark Thigh Brace Support is an essential accessory for anyone looking to prevent injuries, manage muscle soreness, or support thigh and groin areas during high-intensity performance.